I thought you wouldn't kill us.
I won't. But I will shoot you in the leg to keep you from leaving this cabin. Turn on the TV if you want to be convinced. You'll see that everything I said was going to happen has happened.
No one's going to do what you said.
Terrifying images as we see yet another passenger aircraft plummet to the ground.
Eric, what are you doing? Why did you turn it on?
Local and international governments are investigating whether there's any correlation between the crashes. We have yet to receive death tolls or receive any statements from the airlines.
I thought it wasn't real.
The skies will fall and crash to the earth like pieces of glass.
And God's fingers will scorch the earth. And an everlasting darkness will descend over humanity.
We now have confirmation of as many as 700 airplanes having crashed without warning, without issuing distress calls, amid fears and increasing speculation there may have been a coordinated cyber attack on the plane's flight management system.
I've heard this before.
TSA has yet to issue a statement. Airports around the globe are canceling flights.
It is hard. Excuse me.
It is hard to describe
the images that we're seeing.
that we're seeing.
They fill us with disquietude and horror. We are witnessing a collective tragedy unfathomable only moments before. We're getting word of more airliners.
How the fuck did you know what she was going to say? Is this some closed-circuit TV? Did you guys pump this in?
Maybe the truth is that the end was happening long before we got to this cabin. And what we're seeing now isn't the fireworks. It's just the final flickering sparks.